Cap 26 here, just a tips, affairs, and hobbies. And here we got little Scooby going to open up. And we don't need an update right now. And it's in P1PS profile. We want to switch that. And here we go. Here he is. Okay, so let's click on him. And he's about the right size. So see all these in here? They're all mismatched. This has to say basic PLA. So let's go down to generic, go to PLA, generic, and they're all saying generic. These are the colors I have: white, red, and blue. Okay. And if you want to color this, you would go to paint. You click on paint right here, and you'd color his eyes and everything else. I use a little hamburger. But I usually keep mine as is, because I don't have the filament colors in stock to print them all. So he's got some overhangs like the airs here. So you want to go to support. These tree support's fine right here. See, we're over here, and go to slim. I use slim. Okay, and then we hit slice file, and it's generating a G code right now, and there he is. It's ready to print. So everything's got a 4 millimeter nozzle over here. So let's hit print, and it's in green. Let's put it in, click on the PLA here and put it in yellow, and we're going to send it to the printer, and we're sending it to the printer to print now, and I'll show you that afterwards. So stay tuned. We do Junior is all done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And see you next time.